In next 5 minutes I will tell you a simple program, division by 0. If I divide one number by another number, what if that denominator is 0? What will happen? And we will see error handling in Python. Okay, let us run simple code. Numerator equal to 10, denominator equal to 2, result equal to numerator by denominator. Okay, we are dividing 10 by 2. हम 10 को 2 से divide करें. हम what are we going to do? Just 10 divided by 2. That's where we are just executing this code, and we are printing the result. That's it. Print before result, output after result. So run the code. What I get? Before result statement 5.0, result after result statement. Okay, so what if I make this 2 to 0? क्या होगा? So answer will be infinity. I get the error, and my program get stop. मेरा program रुक चुका है. So I want to handle this situation in the program itself. So there are many situations where program may be terminated. It's called error handling, exception handling in the Python. So how can I do it? मैं इसको कैसे कर सकता हूँ? I will show it by the example, simple example. So there is a syntax. Try. See, this is try, except, else, finally. Try block. So we are writing all the code in the try block, and whatever exception we have to catch, we are writing in the except block. And else, if there is no exception, then the code in else block get execute. Again I repeat, if there is no exception, if there is no error, code in else block will execute, and finally either there is a error or not, it doesn't matter, always this block get execute regardless whether result of the code in try means there is either error or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let us simply see the simple program now. You can see try, except, else, finally, and all the block are ended with colon. Try, colon, except, colon, else, colon, finally, colon, and after every block there is the indentation. Okay, there is indentation, otherwise you will get the error. Okay, so when I run the code, try, now I make it 0. What will happen? Okay, what I do, I denominator make it 2. Now what I will get? 10 divided by 2 is 5. So there is no exception, there is no 0 division error exception, so this code will not execute. Okay, and else will execute if no error is present. So result is 5, and will always execute either error is present or not. This will always execute. That's why division operation completed, division 1. Division operation completed, division 1. Okay, and suppose there is an exception, I make it exception. So what will happen now? If there is exception, now this exception will be caught here, and this code will execute, error in the code, and I will not get the result. Here. Okay, मुझे result यहाँ पर नहीं मिलेगा, and finally I get the statement. Okay, now I am going to make the statement. I will not get the result. Instead of result, I will get error in. So what I do, I just copy this block so that you can easily compare this. Better I add this block, then you will understand code. I make it 0. Okay, I run the code, see what happened. Great. As division by 0 occurs, this exception get executed. This is E123, so that's why here E123. Now error in the code of Dr. Balaji Shetty, E123, error in the code of Dr. Balaji Shetty, division by 0. Okay, if I make it suppose E12345, then make the change E12345, run the code one more time, you will get the same output. Okay, and you are not executing this result, you are not printing the result. Okay, previously you are printing the result because there is no exception, that's why this statement was not executed, but now division by 0 occurs, so this exception get fired. That's why I got output error in the code of Dr. Balaji Shetty. Okay, don't get confused, and afterward this statement did not execute. If there is no exception, then only this statement execute. Okay, but finally always get execute. Okay, will always execute either error is present or not. That's why I get the output. So I hope idea is clear. In next videos I will explain theory and more example. Be ready, be consistent. Thank you.